A rancher wants to construct 2 identical rectangular corrals using 500 feet of fencing. So 500 feet of fencing, that's telling you right now that that's perimeter. The rancher decides to build them adjacent to each other so that they share fencing on one side. So let me just draw a quick little vision of that. This is X, this is X, this is X. I don't know if you want to call the whole thing Y. I'm sure you could split it up, but I think it's to your advantage to just label the whole thing as Y. Perimeter equals 2x plus 2y. Area is going to be length times width. I already messed up. How many x's should there really be for perimeter? There should be 3 of them because there's 3. You're using fencing for all 3 of these. So it's going to be 3x plus 2y. The area is still length times width, so it's still x times y. We want to maximize the area, so this is the one we're going to differentiate. So we're going to isolate either the x or the y. I don't remember offhand which one is easier, so let's just stick with the y. So perimeter, oops, we forgot, we know perimeter. Perimeter is 500. So we have 500 right here. So I'm going to subtract 3x, so 500 minus 3x, that's what happens when you're trying to hustle, equals 2y. And then we divide everything by 2. So y equals, I think I'm going to write it as 250 minus 3/2 x. I'm not sure if that's to our advantage or not to actually divide that. So now I'm going to plug that into here. So area equals x times 250 minus 3/2 x. I'm going to distribute before I differentiate. A equals 250x minus 3/2 x squared. Now I'm ready to take the derivative. So dA over dx equals 250 minus 3x. Now I'm going to set this equal to 0. So 250 minus 3x equals 0. 250 equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 250, divided by 3. That's 83.3 repeating. Let me just double check that. 1 second. 250 divided by 3. Okay, that was correct. So 83.3 repeating. So that means that each of those x's are that. And now we want to figure out what the y value is. So I'm going to plug that into the perimeter. 500 equals 3 times. We found out x was 83.3 repeating, which we know is 250, plus 2y, plus 2y. So if we subtract 250, we get 250 equals 2y, y equals 125. So therefore, let's see what the questions are. What dimension should the rancher use to construct each corral so that together they will enclose the largest possible area? So we're going to have, it's going to be an 83.3 repeating feet by 125 feet. And this is going to be the one that has, that splits it. I don't know, what do we want to say? I'm just going to contract the part that has 3 sides, just so we know which one has 3 sides. And we're done.